Hello kids, let's learn A for alligator, B for ball and C for clock. तो वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। A for alligator, A for alligator. B for ball, B for ball. C for clock, C for clock. D for dog, D for dog. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for frog, F for frog. G for gorilla, G for gorilla. H for hat, H for hat. I for insect, I for insect. J for jug, J for jug. K for kite, K for kite. L for lion, L for lion. M for monkey, M for monkey. N for nest, N for nest. O for octopus, O for octopus. P for penguin, P for penguin. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rabbit, R for rabbit. S for sun, S for sun. T for tiger, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for violin, V for violin. W for whale, W for whale. X for xylophone, X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo, Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. Thank you kids. Thank you for watching.